Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Revolut account. So if you're on your PC, if you go to revolut.com and click on sign up, they'll take you or they'll ask you to scan this QR code or just send them enter your number so they can send you a link to download it in your phone. So you will have to go and do it in your phone. So if you are on your phone, as an example, let me just go and show you. Here we are. You can just go and open the Revolut application once you download it. You can download it as an example by scanning this QR code. They'll take you exactly where to download it, or simply by entering the number, they'll send you a link. Once you are here, click on create an account. And basically, we'll have to go through the steps of creating our account. So as an example for me, I'll find this screen is hidden to protect your personal information because I am share screening my phone right now. But basically for you, they will just tell you to do some easy setup process. It will start by entering your phone number. After that, once you enter basically your phone number, they'll send you a verification code. Make sure to go and enter that. Once you enter that code, of course, you'll have then to enable notification. They'll ask you to enable it. And then you'll have to enter your country residence. Once you enter your country residence, you'll basically have, or they'll ask you for your or to enter a passcode. Once you do so, you'll have, or they will ask you basically for an ID, basically the name on your ID in your country. After that, you'll have to enter basically your home address, of course, like for the ID, the first name and last name. Then you'll have to enter your phone address, and they'll tell you basically about their banking system. And yeah, you should have your account ready to use. Of course, then you have to verify your identity using like an ID or passport, and you should be good to go. And when you have, as an example, your account, you'll be able even to use it on your PC to log in, as example, and even on phone. If you can also like connect your Google, Apple, if you want to start logging with it, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging into your account. So of course you can even log in with the QR code, as you can see. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.